Hello and welcome to Reylands. Today I've got the pleasure of showing you around this fantastic Volkswagen California Ocean SE. It's the T5.1, registration is Kilo X-Ray 10, Yankee Papa Whiskey. It's 140 horsepower, so the one to have. So being an SE, this vehicle has loads of extras, one being the fully electronic roof that's simply raised and lowered by just pushing a button, which we'll demonstrate for you now. As you can see, the van is finished in a metallic silver. So as you can see, the roof is raising now. This is simply done by holding a button down within inside the cab just to simply raise and lower the roof. And there we have it. Now we can see the fully erected roof. So to the front, we can see we've got front parking sensors as well as front fog lights. Van features alloy wheels, 17 inches. Really nice looking wheels. So the van is currently set up into what we refer to as day mode here at Reylands. So the roof is up, which we just watched go up, and our awning is out, and our table and chairs are set up. So these chairs in fact fold and stow away with inside the rear tailgate, as the table also goes inside the sliding door here. We also got LEDs fitted to the awning, which we can see there. We've got front captain seats all set up. Nice rear bench there as well. So quickly step inside. You can see we've got loads of glass, so we can sit and enjoy our view wherever we're parked. So inside this cabinet here, we've got a fridge. Inside this one here, we've got a twin gas hob burner, as well as a onboard tap and sink, as this van's got its own water supply. Let's just show you from this side as well. Got loads of storage on board as well. We also have a 240 3-pin socket, and we have a cigarette style socket there as well. So just take a look around the rear and we'll get this van set up for sleeping. So up here is where our seats fold away inside that bag there that goes neatly inside the tailgate. We also have a detachable tow bar as well as rear parking sensors. Van's in really nice condition for 2010 California. The roof's absolutely fantastic as well. Looking down the sides here, there's no horrible scratches or dents. We've got our hookup area here for 240 volts, as well as our lockable water tank for our water. As I said, alloy wheels. Beautiful colour here in the sun. Just while we're around this side, we'll just pan round and see our fantastic view here at Reylands, looking out across South Somerset. This is our view here at Reylands on site at Sevington, Somerset. Really nice day today. So let's take a look inside. Bed is now set up. You can see we've let down a couple blinds there just to show you what the van is like. We've got the ones to the rear as well. Just show you up in the roof. So you simply just pull this down to reveal a nice double at the top as well. These are zippable as well, these sides. We also have LED lighting up top as well. And to push it out of the way, just simply push it up. Really nice and easy to use. Really nice comfortable space to be in and to sleep in. So let's take a quick look inside the front cab. So I'll just start the van a minute. You'll hear a warning there. That's just to let us know that the roof is open and not to drive off. So as you can see, there's no warning lights whatsoever. Needs some fuel. We're going to add some fuel to it shortly after this video. It's only covered 52,975 miles. That's 52,975. So extremely low mileage. It has got electric front windows. We also have electric heated front mirrors that are also folding as well. Cruise control, very rare on this year. 6-speed manual gearbox, so lovely and smooth out on the motorway. It's had an upgraded, you can see there in the sun, touchscreen Kenwood system, which has got radio. We also got a CD player. Hopefully you can see it a bit better there. We also have satellite navigation. And we can connect our phone to it as well as USB connectivity. We've got heated front seats, again only available on the SE. We also have air conditioning as well. Up here we can see our onboard management system, which you can see there. We've got an onboard heater, so we can set our heating. Obviously we control our fridge up here as well. We can see the voltage of our leisure battery and our current water status for fresh and dirty water. You may have noticed the large AA flag flying and the banner there hanging off the mirror. That is because we're proud to say we're an AA dealer promise dealer. So that means your vehicle meets the AA car standards and comes with a complimentary 12-month AA roadside. If you'd like to book a viewing, we view by appointments at all time. Feel free, give us a call on 01460 312 923. That's 01460 312 923. Hope you enjoyed watching and we'll speak to you soon.